Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today Flow announced that there are some new features available for all the pro users. So this means if you're on the basic level subscription, you can do some new cool features, and I'm going to show you them live here. So this is one called Ingredients. All right. So if you haven't used this before, this is through Gemini and Google, and this is their video creation platform, and it's super cool. I have another really long tutorial where I kind of do my own custom stack workflow, but I use VEO3 for all my video generation actually. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna create with Flow. All right. And then from here, we just go to new project. Right, so right here, there's a few options. There's text to video. This is great. VEO loves JSON language, and that's just the best way to communicate with this model. Comment JSON below and I will send you a guide. And now they also have frames to video, and this is awesome for control. So if you want better control with your video generation, spend a lot of time on creating a really nice still, and then you can animate it, and then you can even go frame to frame. So your end is really good and your starting is really good. Animate the two, you know, like let's say you have a close-up of a rim of a car, and then you have that same car zoomed out like in the mountains, and then go like zoom from one frame to the next. It'll do a really, really good job, and you have more control and consistency on your final image. And then you can extend. There's a way to add it to the scene builder where you can extend the scene and jump to different scenes. And I'm not getting into that in this video because now the new feature, ingredients to video. Now, right now I can only generate this in VEO2, but check this out. I got these 3 images. So this is great if it's like a recipe. You want to mix things together, right? So I have 3 things that I want to put together. I have the Stig. I have this new prototype R8, and it's looking really cool. And then I have this road in the Amalfi Coast where I want all this to take place. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to keep this tutorial super simple and quick. I'm going to add in my ingredients. So you can see now I added the Stig from Top Gear, the car, the new prototype, and this road. So I want him leaning on this car, sitting here as the sun goes down. So what I did is I went over to ChatGPT, and I have the JSON prompt here. I'm going to copy it. So I have the JSON prompt here. I'm doing cinematic. I'm going to do the warm golden hour lighting, and he's just going to be leaning on the car in the Amalfi Coast, and let's see what happens. I wish I could do VEO3 for this. I'm sure like it's coming out really soon, so maybe when you watch this tutorial, the VEO3 option will be available, but this just came available for pro accounts. So, and it costs only 10 credits to do this right now. So I'm going to generate, and let's see what happens. And like I said, comment JSON below and I will send you the JSON prompt. And that's JSON, not JASON, that's JSON. JSON. All right. All right, guys, and here it is. Yeah, and just like that, this is how you can combine 3 things together and get a really, really cool result. I'm pretty blown away by this. Now, you could also extend this frame now and like have him get in the car for the next scene and like take off and then drive down the road and like keep building the scene from there. But yeah, this is it. Amalfi Coast. We got the new prototype R8 and the Stig. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks so much for watching, and I got some more cool content coming soon.